Lucas High Mileage Fuel Treatment was created specifically for higher mileage gasoline engines. Because of its cleaning capabilities, Lucas High Mileage Fuel Treatment has the ability to restore and maintain efficient operation of a vehicle that may have previously been neglected. Lucas High Mileage Fuel Treatment helps fuel to burn more completely, reducing harmful emissions and boosting MPG. It cleans and lubricates fuel injectors while reducing intake valve and combustion chamber deposits. It helps to eliminate knocking and hesitation, creating a much smoother running engine. You'll get more power, better fuel economy, and needed fuel system lubrication. All this adds up to maximum efficiency. It contains no alcohol and is oxygen sensor safe. Lucas High Mileage Fuel Treatment is easy to use. For every 10 gallons of gasoline, add 2 to 3 ounces, or add one 5.25 ounce bottle per 25 gallon fuel tank. And an overtreat is not harmful. For more information, visit us online at lucasoil.com or give us a call at 800-342-2512. Premium additives for innovative solutions. That's the Lucas Oil product specialty.